Alright, got here a 2013 Sienna. Customer complaint is, I think they put an alternator in it because it wasn't charging. Now it's charging, but all the lights are on and they don't know what it's from. I think they couldn't clear them. Let's see. Let me scan it. So I don't see an engine light, just ABS lights. Oh, and a steering wheel light. And the brake light. Yeah, the steering is not good. It could just has to be cleared. Alright, let's do a scan. See what we got. Can I get the VIN? Oh, see that? It just lost communication. This is a bad ABS module, I think. See, it just got communication again. It's jumping up and down over here. Oh, let's see. Alright, let's see. Ground this right here, and then we'll put it on can high, and we got no volts. Let's see. Yeah, we got garbage, and on can low we also have garbage. So let's lower the seconds. Yeah, you see how it's all messed up? I'm going to unplug the ABS module just because I've seen this a bunch of times. If it's not, we'll have to diagnose it. Alright, let's see. Actually, now we got an open circuit. So, no, not an ABS module. Alright, we got a real network issue. Alright, let's shut the car. Shut the car. Disconnect the battery and we'll ohm across it. And first, do a quick visual inspection because they were at the alternator. Let's plug this back in. Alright, let me get a ohm meter. Alright, so right now, is there voltage on here? Yeah, you see we have 11 volts on the can right now. 11 volts. Something's shorting to voltage. So it's not ignition related. So let's see. What the common issues I usually have with this are the ABS usually just brings it down, but if it's shorted to voltage, I would assume it's the steering angle sensor. Let me unplug that, see if it gets better. So it's not a hard short, so I'm probably wasting time here, but yeah, we'll do this anyway because it's able to lower it. It's just like biased. It's probably just corrosion on the connector, as opposed to these when they short. Which one is it? No, it's not this. It's lowered down. I think it's this. Yeah, alright, so it's none of these. Alright, let me go make sure there's nothing aftermarket behind here. That's connected into the OBD port. No, it just goes into there. Okay, so let's get a diagram of the... Let's get a diagram. Let's see where we have voltage. Diagrams. Let's go get a information bus. Alright, where's the ABS? Where's our OBD port?
Enjoy.
Alright, so the shop owner just told me that both windows were open in a rainstorm. So that will be helpful. It could be there's water in here or in the windows if the network goes to it. Let me see, I'm just trying to find the OBD port. Here, data link connector. So we're connected on pin 6 and 14 over here. So where's the first place that goes? That goes to D126, left side of dash. That's probably right in there. So let me go look that up, see if I can find it. Let me just go right now and just see if it's wet in here. Well, I pulled this out and it was just the network talking. It was nothing major. None of these look wet. Alright, so if I had to guess, it's all the way up here. That's usually where the things are. I don't see it, so let's just... we'll look for that in a minute. Alright, this splits up into power steering assembly, yaw rate sensor, ECU assembly, airbag assembly. This will actually be a really good one to get to. And this goes to another one. Oh, this one's actually the brake actuator assembly. Right here. AC amplifier. Alright, so let's see if we can find this guy. This is D126. Alright, D126 is up here somewhere. Alright, so we're not going there. That's too hard to get to. Let's go find something else. D125, is that right near it? No, D125 is over here on top of the glove box. That I think is easier to get to. So if we get there, D125, that connects the certification ECU, the combination meter, the brake actuator, and without smart key system, the AC amplifier. Alright, so let's go look over there. Yeah, this feels like it got really wet. Yep, there's corrosion right here. And these, I don't know if this is the one, but let's see, where's the scope? Yep, things at 0. Let me see if I have a network when I turn on the car. Bolts. All volts. Yep, we got a good network with this unplugged. So is it just right here? I probably should be able to communicate. Let's see. Yeah, this spins easy. Our dashboard's not jumping around. So I gotta either just clean that connector, that might just be the whole thing, or it could be what that's going to. It's probably going to the AC amplifier if I had to guess. Let's see, auto scan. There we go, pulled it up. Yeah, so I'm assuming it's just the junction over there. It's probably not going to a module. It's probably just that actual thing's dirty. I'm gonna clean that up once I'm done here. I just want to see what it communicates with. No, so we actually talked to the AC, so whatever. Okay, let me shut this off, and I'm gonna clean this up. Alright, I'm gonna spray it with this DeoxIT stuff. Alright, I plugged it back in and we did not jump up the power. We still have 2 volts on here. So we should still have communication. Let's see. What did I do with the keys? Yeah, we still got communication. Let's do a new scan. All the lights are off. Oh wait, the ABS module's unplugged or plugged in? It's plugged in, okay. Yeah, there's no lights, so there always gonna be history codes. Startability, anti-lock brakes. Yeah, alright, clear everything. We should be good to go. Tell them maybe they could. I mean, I'll try to clean that connector a little bit better after. Alright, key on, engine off. There we go, clean sheree. Alright, I just took an extra, I was here for like 25 minutes, so I took an extra like 7 minutes because trying to do the ABS module and this module, now I have to put it back together. But sometimes it's still worth it going with your gut if you've seen it many times. I mean, over here, it was different. I didn't realize that it wasn't a direct short because the network was able to move. I should have realized that. Usually when it's this module over here, the steering angle sensor, it's completely shorted to ground. Completely shorted to power. All right, thanks for watching.